everyone, I'm here to do another MCM reveal video for you guys. This bag right here I purchased off of TRADESY, and I just got it this week or whatever, so I finally had a chance to do the video. So it came in this little box right here, and when I got it I was like, ooh, this box is really tiny. And when I opened it, I was like, okay, the bag is really tiny. And y'all, I didn't realize that it was a mini bag or whatever, so it's pretty small. Anyway, so this is how it came. And it was brand new. Everything was still wrapped. So here's the bag. And, well, actually it was inside of this paper too. And then here is the strap. And then it just has my receipt right here. So, like I said, it came in the original packing. And y'all, here it is. Y'all, it is so cute. This is a really cute bag. And this right here is the MCM Mini Patricia Visetos canvas crossbody bag. Now at first I thought it was a backpack or whatever, but it's not a backpack. It is a crossbody, and it only came with one strap, so it's definitely a crossbody and not a backpack. So here is the front of the bag, and then here is the side, and then here is the back of the bag. Let me see. There's the back. And then here's the other side. And then here is the bottom of the bag. So yeah, there is that. And this, like I said, this is the mini. And the measurements are, it's 5.5 inches in width. It's 6 3/4 in height. And then it's 2.5 inches in diameter. So it's a really small bag, but it is super duper cute. And I am going to show you guys like what could possibly fit in there. It's not going to be necessarily what I will put in there when I carry it, but I'm just going to show you guys what fits in there. And this bag retails for $695 on Nordstrom. And somebody else had the bag, but I got, like I said, I got it off of TRADESY. And they had it for like $638, and then you got like an extra of $50 for buying anything over $500 or whatever. And it was free shipping and all that stuff. And then I used money that I had got from Mother's Day to put towards the purchase of the bag, because that's a pretty steep price for this little bitty bag, because here's my hand and then here's the bag. So it's a very small bag, but it's super duper cute, and it's MCM. So this is the color cognac or whatever. And the reason why I went ahead and purchased this bag, because I was gonna wait until Nordstrom had their anniversary sale. But like I said, I saw this bag on a couple of other websites, and it keeps selling out. And so the anniversary sale, I think it don't start until July, and I'm not necessarily, let me get my words right. I'm not sure if this bag is going to necessarily be, you know, on sale or whatever, and I'm scared that by the time July comes it's going to be gone. So, you know, if you see a bag by MCM that you really like, you pretty much got to go ahead and get it, because a lot of their bags they don't make anymore or whatever, and you won't see it again unless you buy it from, you know, a resale, another person, you know, selling it or whatever, Poshmark or Fashion File or something like that or whatever. So that's why I went ahead and got the bag, because I was hoping that I was going to get it for a cheaper price, but I just went ahead and got it anyway. So let me show you some more of the bag. So this, you have this front pocket, and you just pop that, and then there is that. So that's a nice little size pocket right here. And then I'm gonna open it for you guys. So we have this stuffed with some paper. And here's my little MCM dust bag. Gonna need that. I stuffed the mess out this bag. And then got that out of there. So here is the inside of the bag. And we have a pocket back here in the back. And here's the little card and stuff or whatever. But we just have a pocket right there in the inside. I have the iPhone 11. And let's see. It does fit in there. But I wouldn't carry it in here or whatever. I actually will carry it in this back pocket right here. Let me take this off. Yeah, I will carry it in this back pocket, and it is a tight little fit. But I will carry it in this part right here. And it actually will fit better without my case or whatever, but I don't know about y'all. I keeps a case on my iPhone. These phones are too expensive to be walking around without a case. But that, it does fit right there. And it does, like I said, it does fit in the inside. So let me show you guys real fast what would probably fit in there. So we're going to start with this front pocket right here. I think you will be able to put maybe just a couple of dollars in here. And probably a few coins in that front pocket. And then I have these sanitizing, some hand sanitizer in little packets. And those will fit in there. And then you have like some little wet one wipes. That'll fit in there. So you can fit that in there. Now for the inside, I do have this MCM wallet. So I will put that in there. I have some little Bath and Body Works lotion. So I will sit that in there. And then I have my AirPods. That would also fit. And then I also have my favorite lip gloss. So that will fit. Then I have a little roller perfume. That will fit also. And then I have some Kleenex. And that will fit. I'll put that behind the little wallet. So that will fit. And then you can put like a little small compact mirror in here. So here's the little Coach mirror that I have. That will fit in there. And then I have this little spray hand sanitizer. That will fit also. Also I have these this little Michael Kors card case. You can put this in here instead of, well, okay, let me show y'all. So this is everything that's in here so far, and it does zip up. But instead of having this MCM wallet in here to give yourself some more room, you could just use this just like a regular small card case, and then you still have plenty of room to put like some more stuff in here. Here's a bigger Bath and Body Works lotion. Let me see if that'll fit. Yep, that'll fit in there. And then let me take that out. And then I have this Coach wallet, little card case, so that you can use that also if you don't want to use like a bigger wallet. So let me take that out of there. And then I also have this MCM wallet. I mean, not wallet, card case. And that fits in there too. So you can put like different size wallets in there. Just whatever you want to you know, put in there. But this little thing, it holds quite a bit, so I'm actually shocked as to how much it holds. So right now, and then like I said, it has this pocket back here, so you actually can just put a couple of cards back here in this pocket back here if you want to, instead of putting like a card case or a wallet. You can just tuck your cards back here in the back. And I don't think I have some cards right here. A card, okay, it'll slide in there, but it'll be a pretty tight fit. But you could put a card right there also if you wanted to, and you don't necessarily have to. Let me find another one. Let's see. Yeah, you can fit a card in there. I don't think that I will necessarily put a card in the front, but it does fit. So now that we have that out the way, and like once I carry the bag, I would do an official what's in my bag just to show you guys. But here is the strap that it came with, and like I said, it is a crossbody. So you can either attach it, and this right here is just it just says wait before you remove this tag to make sure you love the item and all this stuff or whatever. But I'm just I just have it on there. I just haven't taken it off yet or whatever, because I'm gonna keep it. But you can attach that to here, and then do it as a crossbody, I mean a shoulder bag. Or like I said, you can do it as a crossbody. And it also has a hook here, and I think I've seen it like here and there or whatever to do it as, you know, that. Or you can take this one off. If I can get it off of here. And then you can just hook it to this other side. And you can wear it, like I said, as a crossbody or a shoulder bag. So super duper cute, and these are adjustable, so you can adjust the length on it. And this is super duper cute and has MCM all on there and stuff. And y'all, this is so cute. And y'all, I had saw this bag on another site, but it was like a site that I had never heard of or whatever, and I wasn't sure if the site was legit, but they had this for like $400 some, like on sale or whatever. And by the time I got through trying to research the site to make sure it was legit, because they had like one left, it was already sold or whatever. But I would have definitely paid like $400 some for it, because it's, you know, it's so tiny. But anyway, I do love the bag, and I am going to keep the bag because this is like super duper cute. My mom came over today and she was like, oh my god, that is so cute. I was like, yeah, it is or whatever. So I'm going to keep the bag because it actually holds quite a bit. And y'all, I do have one more MCM piece that I just purchased that I wasn't planning on purchase, that I didn't even know that I wanted this particular item or whatever. But y'all know how I do. I started looking at videos and I was like, oh, that's cute. I'm gonna have to find me one. So I actually got a good deal on that one. And once that item come in, I think I'm gonna be good on MCMs for a little minute. So not only MCMs, but bags period for a little minute. So I just want to show you guys this right here. And oh yeah, and I think I'm gonna get like a cute little puff ball to put on here when I carry it or whatever, because I think that'll be cute, a little black puff ball. I had one and I couldn't find it, but I just want to show you guys my little recent purchase. And this is, once again, this is the MCM mini Patricia Visetos canvas crossbody bag. And if you interested in it, right now Nordstrom does have the bag, and I want to say I saw it on TRADESY again too. So if you're interested in it or whatever. And like always, if you guys have any questions, just let me know, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.